In this tutorial video, I will demonstrate how to use Simmons Insights to build a quick report. From the LSU Library's homepage, select Databases, and then type in Simmons to locate the Simmons Insights database. The landing page of Simmons Insights is the Crosstab module. The Crosstab is for more advanced users of Simmons. To change the view to Quick Reports, click on Essentials and then select Quick Reports. You can see that the first three reports are the only ones available as the others are grayed out. You will need to change the study you're viewing in order to see all the other reports. Select the Connect Study from the drop-down menu, and this unlocks the other quick reports. Now you can select the variables that will provide an overview of your specific target. There are two ways to make your selection. The first is to type your search term in the data field. This option works best if you know the exact word and spelling of how that term shows up in the survey questions and answers. If your search term is in the Simmons Connect study, it will be retrieved. Alternatively, you can use the drop-down menu to make your selection from either the definitions or the dictionary. The definitions include Simmons-generated combinations of multiple variables, such as by generation. For instance, if you knew that you wanted to make generation X your target, you could select Gen X. The dictionary in Simmons includes every question and answer in the survey. This is the best way to discover the types of content that is available in Simmons. Since the dictionary includes a lot of data, it is organized by category. So you drill down until you get the question you're interested in seeing the different answers to. Let's select generations from the definitions menu. You'll see all the available answers in the search results box. I will select Gen X and then click on Target. You'll see that Gen X has been added to the target area. We can see the sample size of our target, as well as the weighted population for all adults in the U.S. Add 3 zeros to this number. So our target, Gen X, represents 61 million adults in the U.S. Now select the report you would like to run and click on the arrow to run the analysis. Since we selected Demographic Profile, we'll be able to see a quick demographic profile of Gen X. So you can see the median household income, 65% are married, 70% are homeowners, the percentage that have a college degree, the breakdown by household income, race, age, and gender. You may want to combine variables to build your target public. For instance, we can search for Generation X again and select it, and then add the AND connector. Now we can select another variable to build a more specific target. Remember, you can use the drop-down menu to select Dictionary to see all the questions in the survey. I will select Entertainment and Leisure, and then select the subcategory of Leisure Activities and Hobbies, and then click on the red question. Now all the answers for that specific question will be displayed in the search box. Let's select Tailgating. You'll see that tailgating has been added to the search box. If you hover over the variable, you can see the full answer. So this target consists of anyone who meets both variables. They are members of Gen X, which are people between 40 and 54 years of age, and those who say that they have tailgated in the last 12 months. Click on Target. This message will pop up to let you know that you will need to rerun the report again since you've changed your target. Click the arrow to run your analysis again. Notice that your target name has changed, as has the size of the sample and the weighted population. Select the dashboard to select the report you'd like to review. I will select Social Media Activity Profile. This report includes some popular statements that your target agrees with. For instance, 58% agree that they talk about things they see on social media in face-to-face conversations. Each quick report has different content. You may want to explore each report to see which one provides more value to your specific research project. You can export any of these quick reports as an Excel file by selecting Export on the left side of the screen. Finally, if you have questions about how to use Simmons Insights, you may want to review one of the public relations or advertising research guides. These research guides are located on the library's homepage. Select Research Guides and then search by subject. Select your preferred subject and research guide. The Simmons Insights tabs on these guides include additional information on how to use this database.